Welcome back. Today we're doing something really cool. We're going to run a fully functional AI on our Android mobile with absolutely no internet connection. First, after the update our packages, then we install Ollama, the tool that runs our AI models. Very straightforward. Next, we start the Ollama server in the background. This runs quietly and waits for our requests. Now we download our AI model. I'm using TinyLLaMA. It's the smallest at about 500 megabytes and works perfectly on most phones. The download might take a few minutes depending on your connection, but once it's downloaded, you never need internet again. Once it's downloaded, let's test it. We ask a simple question to see if it responds. The best part? Everything stays on your phone. No data leaves your device. No third-party servers. No one else can see your conversations. Complete privacy. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what AI model you want to see next. I'll catch you in the next one.